welcome to this week's Pulse Maharashtra with me, Vinaya Deshpande Pandit. I'm the Maharashtra Chief of Bureau of The Hindu, and each week we take you through some of the most important stories of the week. This week we are going to decode what is Maharashtra's come early, go early policy for its women employees residing in the Mumbai metropolitan region area. In view of the International Women's Day, Maharashtra government has announced that it will roll out the Come Early, Go Early policy for its government women employees residing in Mumbai metropolitan region area. What is this policy and how is it going to affect lakhs of women working in government establishments across the Mumbai metropolitan region area? This is what we are going to see now. So what exactly is this policy? As per the announcement made by Sunetra Pawar, who is the Deputy Chief Minister of Maharashtra. Now remember, this was his first discussion in the Legislative Council which was held on the women's issues, and it is during this discussion that she announced that all the women working in all the government establishments, now which all government establishments are included in this? All the government establishments within the Mumbai metropolitan region area. This will include not just Mumbai city but also Thane, Bhiwandi, surrounding areas. Now all the government offices, which means the municipal corporation, the judicial staff, all the other allied government bodies, the women employees working in all these offices will now be able to come early and leave early.
कम अर्ली गो अर्ली या संकल्पनेअंतर्गत मुंबई महानगर क्षेत्रातील महिला कर्मचाऱ्यांना सकाळी 9:15 ते 9:45 या दरम्यान कार्यालयात लवकर घेऊन जितकी मिनिटे आधी कामकाज करतील तितकीच मिनिटे संध्याकाळी कार्यालयातून लवकर निघण्याची म्हणजेच 30 मिनिटांची सवलत देण्यात येईल. या निर्णयामुळे गर्दीच्या वेळेत होणारी महिलांची गैरसोय नक्कीच कमी होण्यास मदत मिळणार आहे.
What does this mean and what are the specifications? Now, as per the government rules, what are the current timings that employees have to report to office to? Now, all the employees have to report to office by 9:45 and have to work till 6:15 p.m. It's typically an 8.5 hour working day from Monday to Friday. How will this current rule apply? Now, as per the new rule which will be applicable, and the government order for this has already been issued, this will mean that lakhs of women working in these government offices will be able to come as early as 9:15 a.m. and will be able to leave half an hour earlier. Now, what was the requirement for bringing about this rule? The specific requirement was that the Maharashtra government was anyway mulling about staggering the working hours in the Mumbai metropolitan region area in order to make sure that the overburdening on the public transport systems is reduced and that people travel in a more leisurely manner. This will mean that lakhs of women will now be able to stagger their work timings. But will all the women be able to avail of this facility? No. And here are the specific conditions. So who are the women who will not be able to avail of this? So the government says that in case any contingent situation is declared by the government officials or any officials say that the employees will have to remain present in specific timings in their offices, such women employees will not be able to avail of this. This will be on a time-to-time basis. The idea behind the government order is that work order should not suffer and the workflow should not suffer. So for example, judicial staff or the staff working in the Legislative Assembly, Legislative Council will have to remain present as per the ongoing session or as per the cases. Also, if the government officers declare that all the staffers will have to be present for a particular issue, they cannot avail of this facility in order to forego that. all the orders which have been issued by the senior officials will have to be followed and workflow cannot be changed. These are the specific conditions on the basis of which women working in Mumbai metropolitan region area will now be able to avail of the come early, go early policy. Women employees say that lakhs of women will possibly be able to benefit out of this. Thank you for watching.